Look, autograph, AUTOGRAPS, autograph. Okay, autograph. Autograph CPC. Hello. Let's look. Autograph. Tony Oliva autograph, top of page bit range, $100, next 49 point, etc., etc., etc. If you use many other, if you want to use another keyword planner, you can search here. Keyword research site, keyword research. Yes. Your research tool it sponsored. If you want to use this, you can. You must pay this. You can use Moj keyword research beginnings guide to SEO. A ref keyword research the beginner guide by a ref. How to do keyword research for SEO beginners. You can open this link. Look, there are many sites. Keyword tool, got keyword planner, B2B keyword research. If you know how you need, always you can search Google. No one thing in the world uh, Google always give you anything. Well, keyword revealer, what is keyword research, top keyword research courses online, Google Trends. You can use Google Trends. You can use Google Trends. Look, scroll down, explore. Yes, Coral America's American football scorer, Cupcake World Cup. It's just a demo so that you realize what is this. Sorry, you search here. Okay, Google compare with Chrome, Chrome, Chrome. Sorry, Chrome, Chrome, YouTube, Facebook. Sorry. Uh, Facebook. You can see the average value. No one search Chrome, so you can delete this because it's not to help you. Oh, wait, yes, remove. Okay. Can search Twitter, TW, oh sorry, TWIT, Twitter. Oh, it's very lower. Facebook is hotter than high. Okay, I know. Gmail, I think it's high level. Gmail. Yeah, it's high. It's absolutely